Hi friends, welcome to webcam. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to publish a Power BI report on Power BI service. Okay, so you won't be able to publish directly. For that purpose, you need a Power BI service account. And how to get the account? If you don't know, if you don't have account, if you are not working or you are learner, what you can do, you can go to my YouTube channel. This is what my webcam YouTube channel. You can refer this video, learn and practice Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automates for free. This video you can follow and create Microsoft account. Okay, so by creating account you will get a login credentials. And what you can do then, once you get a login credentials, what you can do is you can search apps.powerbi.com. Okay, it will prompt for login. You can select your account, whatever the account you have created, and this will be a view or page of your Power BI service. This is cloud based service, and we have to publish our reports on this. Okay, so if you want where you can publish, so we can publish this report somewhere in folder, and that folder is called workspace. Okay, so workspace, you can create your own workspace as per your wish, but I have created a webcam as a workspace, so I would like to publish my report here. Okay, but this is not going to work directly. Okay, so for that purpose, what you need to do, once you got your credentials, you can copy that email address, and you need to install Power BI gateway. So what you can do, you can search for download Power BI gateway. Okay, and on this link you will get an option for download standard mode or personal mode. You can select anyone. Okay, but since if you are using, this is for personal use, select personal use. If you are using pro or premium version, you have a license version, then go for standard mode. Okay, then you can go to this download, click on download. So this will start downloading a setup file. Once download get finished, okay, so you can see this kind of file will get downloaded in your folder. So you can double click on it to start installation, because we need to install. Okay, and this is how installation window will open. It will prompt, you are supposed to accept the terms and say install. The installation will get done in 1 or 2 minutes, and after that it will prompt for email address. Okay, it will ask you to log in. And what login credentials you are supposed to use? You are supposed to use login credentials of your Power BI service that we have here, right? So this email I'm going to copy here. You need to wait for a minute until it get finished. So everything will be connected through the Power BI account. So now we have a Power BI service account. So we will use the same account for on-premises data gateway, and we will use the same account for Power BI desktop login, so that you will get connected to service directly through this gateway, and your data will be securely published on cloud. And you can share the link of this cloud to anyone. You can give the access to any people from your organization, and they will be able to access these reports, whatever the reports you have published on service or into that workspace. So we will see how to publish. Okay, so definitely it will prompt for email address. Same email address you can use, or you are supposed to use the same, that one you have as a Power BI service account. Okay, so let me say sign in. It will prompt for password. Okay, so I will select this, since I already have this password and all entered into my system, so it has picked this account. No issues, but yes, in case if it asks for the password, you can enter your password, and this will get connected, and you will get a pop-up window stating that your gateway is online. So like this, we will see the window in minute. Once the gateway installation get done, then we can go to Power BI desktop, log in there, and then we would be able to publish our reports into Power BI service. So this is the a bridge. Power BI gateway is a bridge between your service and your on-premises data. On-premises data meaning data which is on your local computer. What we have a Power BI desktop is also at our local computer. So you can see that messages gateway is online and ready to use. Say click close and go to Power BI desktop. Now I have picked a random report from Google. Okay. So once your report will get ready after the performing or getting the data, then creating models, visuals, and everything is ready, you are supposed to publish report by clicking on this publish icon. So if you click on this, it will prompt for email address. What email address you are supposed to use? You can enter this email address. What are the email address we have at Power BI service? It will prompt for the sign in. So go down and select work and school account. Okay, don't select Microsoft account because whatever the user ID and password you will get by following that video, you will not be able to select, or you will not be able to use the Microsoft account. Instead of that, you are supposed to use personal or work account or student or work account. Okay, and say next. It will prompt for the password. Whatever the password you have entered while creating the account, you are supposed to enter the same password and it will give you the access. Okay, once the installation done, we will see the list of our workspaces. So this is what one workspace, this is one workspace, this is when I have a webcam. If I go to service, and here you can see that nothing is there as of now. If I let me close this, I don't want this. Okay, if I select webcam and if I select here, okay, you can see that it will get published. The report will get published on cloud. So this is how we can create a connection between Power BI desktop and Power BI service by using a gateway. Gateway is a bridge between two different services. Power BI services, Power BI desktop is a different component and different part of Power BI, and Power BI services is online. It's cloud-based service. If I refresh this, you can see that report got published here, right? And you can so data set is different. Okay, you are able to refresh that report from here also, or you can refresh. You can view the report by clicking on this report. Okay, but if you want to refresh or do the changes, or if you want to make some changes with respect to with respect to what we can say the gateway and all, so you are supposed to go to the setting. Here you have a various options. Okay, and here you can say that running on webcam. So this is my computer name, that's why it's a personal gateway. So we have a gateway installed. This is how it works. Data source credentials. Okay, it will ask since we don't have any credentials into my systems, that's why it is not showing like this, or it is showing like this. But suppose you are using Python and all, so any of the database, it will ask for all those datasets credentials. Okay, once you enter, you are able to refresh your report from service also by clicking on this refresh all button. This is how it works. And if you want to view the report, you can click on the report and you are supposed to view the same report. What are the different pages? You can see here: info, market share, YTD categories, sentiments, and growth analysis. Same pages we have here: info, market share, YTD, sentiment analysis, and growth opportunities. So this is how you can connect Power BI service and Power BI desktop by using personal gateway. Okay, that gateway is a bridge between, or it's a connector between your service and online Power BI online and Power BI desktop. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Do not forget to subscribe web channel.